If you want to connect Calendly to LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link both accounts so you can start using Calendly inside your LearnWorlds setup with much less friction. This is especially useful if you want to streamline scheduling, automate bookings, and make it easier for students or clients to reserve time with you. And before we jump in, if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and find Settings. You'll usually see it represented by a gear icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on Settings to open the main configuration area for your school. From there, you need to find Integrations in the drop-down menu. This is where LearnWorlds keeps all the external tools and connection options that can help expand what your platform can do. Click Integrations to continue. Next, look for the Live Sessions tab. This section is important because it contains the tools related to meetings, bookings, and live scheduling. Once you open Live Sessions, you should see Calendly listed among the available choices at the top. Now select Calendly. This tells LearnWorlds that you want to set up Calendly as your scheduling integration. After selecting it, you'll see an Activate button. Click Activate to begin the connection process. Once you do that, a pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, click Connect Account. This is the step that starts the authorization flow between LearnWorlds and Calendly. LearnWorlds needs permission to connect to your Calendly account so it can work properly with your scheduling setup. After clicking Connect Account, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Calendly account. Enter your login details and authorize access when requested. This is the part where you confirm that you want Calendly to connect with LearnWorlds. Make sure you're signing into the correct Calendly account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different projects or businesses. Once authorization is complete, the integration should be connected successfully. At that point, you can go back into LearnWorlds and continue setting up your live session or booking experience based on how you want your schedule to work. If you don't see the connection right away, take a moment to refresh the page and double-check that you signed into the correct accounts on both sides. It's also a good idea to make sure your LearnWorlds plan and Calendly setup support the features you want to use. And that's it, you've now connected Calendly to LearnWorlds. From here, you can use this integration to help manage bookings more smoothly and create a better experience for your audience or students. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next how-to guide.